On the morning of June 30th, 1908, something extraordinary occurred in the remote wilderness of Siberia. Witnesses described a massive fireball, brighter than the sun, moving across the sky at tremendous speed. The resulting explosion flattened 80 million trees across 830 square miles, with the force of 1,000 Hiroshima bombs. Scientists have proposed various theories, from a comet or asteroid impact to more exotic explanations involving antimatter. Today, over a century later, the Tunguska event remains Earth's largest recorded explosion of mysterious origin. Researchers continue to study the site, hoping to finally solve one of science's most enduring mysteries.